Hello and welcome, dear students. Today I am going to share with you the English language and literature revised curriculum or the rationalized curriculum released by the CBSE for the subject English language and literature, subject code 184. It is for the academic year 2020 and 21. It has been revised due to the pandemic conditions, and the portion has been cut down and the question paper format has been revised. The basic information: the students may pause the video and read. The objectives are mostly for the teacher's knowledge. The students may pause the video and read for a better understanding. The focus of this video is to acquaint the students of the language items and the question paper format only. The mode of technique and the lesson techniques, it is for teacher's knowledge, which I will proceed faster. Coming to the question paper format or the revised assessment format. The students were fairly aware that earlier there were 3 sections of skills: reading skills, writing and grammar skills, literature section. Now these skills have been redistributed in 2 parts. The first part is called part A, which is based on objectives, MCQs, and part B is based on subjective, that is writing. Part B, earlier it was only reading, but now in part A was earlier reading. Now part A includes literature. It also includes grammar. Part B includes writing and literature. Now let us go through it grade by. This is for grade 9, and kindly make a note that grade 9 question format is advised to be followed in the middle school also. This is as per the CBSE circular, that the same format is to be followed in middle school. The students of middle school may also pay attention. It's only the textbook, literature textbook, that will differ. Beginning with the reading or unseen passage, multiple choice questions based on discursive passage of 400 to 450 words to test inference, evaluation and vocabulary. The students may attempt 10 out of 12 questions and it is for 10 marks. In multiple choice, second question, multiple choice questions based on case-based factual passage with visual input, statistical data, charts, etc. For example, bar graphs, pie charts, based on 200 to 250 words to test analysis and interpretation. 10 out of 12 questions to be answered. This is again for 10 marks. The total length of the text used over here should be between 600 to 700 words. Proceeding to the third question. Third question is based on literature textbook. The literature textbook prose based question is question number 3. Multiple choice questions based on the extracts from drama and prose to test inference, evaluation and vocabulary. Any 1 out of 2 extracts to be done, and it is for 5 marks. 5 marks means there will be 5 MCQs to be answered. Multiple choice questions based on an extract from poetry to test analysis and interpretation. Any 1 out of 2 extracts to be done, and it will have 5 MCQs. Next, or the last part of this part A is based on grammar, which comprises of 10 marks. 10 multiple choice questions out of 12 to be answered. Questions shall be based on the following: tenses, modals, subject verb agreement or concord, reported speech, commands and requests, statements, questions and determiners. For students' knowledge, the deleted portion of grade 9 from grammar has been listed here. Use of passive voice has been deleted. Clauses, noun clause, adverbial clause of condition and time, relative clause and prepositions have been deleted. Kindly make a note that wherever the students need to know or need to understand certain concepts in order to understand the topic which is being understood for writing, if grammar is involved, the students may read or understand, or this can be taught, but it will not be tested. Part B, which is subjective. Writing, it is for 10 marks. Writing a descriptive paragraph, word limit 100 to 120 words on a person, that means describing a person only, or a diary entry based on visual or verbal cues. 1 out of 2 questions to be answered, and this is based on 5 marks. The second question is to write a story. The word limit is 100 to 120 words, and it is based on the given cues. 1 out of 2 questions to be answered, and it is again for 5 marks. The deleted portion over here is letter on a situation, descriptive paragraphs on a place and event. This need not be taught or need not be tested. Literature, it is based on 30 marks. 4 out of 6 short type questions to be answered in 20 to 30 words, each from grade 9 Beehive textbook and supplementary moments. Making sure that 2 out of 3 from Beehive and 2 out of 3 from moments. That means 2 marks into 4 questions equals to 8 marks. Over here, those who are following this for middle school, the literature and the supplementary books used in middle schools may be applied over here. Question number 4 of subjective part B, 4 out of 6 short answer type questions to be answered in 40 to 50 words, each from Beehive textbook and Moments textbook. 2 out of 3 from Beehive and 2 out of 3 from Moments. The marks increases up over here to 3 marks per question and 4 questions, that means 12 marks. Question number 5, 1 out of 2 long answer type questions from Beehive to be answered in about 100 to 120 words, each to assess creativity, imagination and extrapolation beyond the textbook and across the texts. This can be a passage based question taken from a situation, plot from the texts, and it comprises of 5 marks. Question number 6, 1 out of 2 long answer type questions from the textbook or the supplementary reader, Moments, on theme and plot involving interpretation, extrapolation beyond the text and inference or character sketch to be answered in about 100 to 120 words, and this comprises of 5 marks. Part A and Part B each is of 40 marks. Total it is out of 80. The prescribed textbook by NCERT New Delhi, Beehive textbook for grade 9. What is deleted is also listed here for students' knowledge. The Lake Isle of Innisfree, the Snake and the Mirror, the Duck and the Kangaroo, Kathmandu, A Slumber Did My Spirit Seal. For Moments, supplementary reader for grade 9, Ishwaran the Storyteller, The Accidental Tourist has been deleted. Words and Expressions 1 workbook. Teachers are advised to encourage classroom interaction. This is for teachers' knowledge and to improve the quality of teaching. Students may pay attention to the internal assessments. One more pointer: reading section for comprehension, critical evaluation, inference, and analysis are to be tested. Writing sections: all types of short and extended writing tasks will be dealt with. That means it will be taught but not tested. Grammar items mentioned in the syllabus will be taught and assessed. Now, paying attention to internal assessments. Speaking and listening competencies, assessments of listening and speaking skills. It's for 5 marks. It is recommended that listening and speaking skills should be practiced regularly. Art integrated projects, that means performing arts, to be brought into your speaking and listening, that is role play, skit, dramatization, etc. must be used. It is strictly advised for speaking and listening and enrichment. Guidelines for assessments in listening and speaking skills. The activities for listening and speaking available at cbscacademic.in can be used for developing listening and speaking skills for students. Subject teachers should also refer to books prescribed in the syllabus. In addition to above, teachers may plan their own activities and create their own material for assessing the listening and speaking skills. The parameters, this is for the students and the teachers. The listening and speaking skills are to be assessed on the following parameters: interactive competence, that is initiation and turn taking. Turn taking means someone else is talking, you should wait, listen, and wait when it is your turn to speak. Speak only then, do not interrupt, allow the person to complete. So that is turn taking. And one initiating is initiating a topic and developing it. Relevance to the topic, that means whatever you talk is relevant to the given topic. It is not that you are talking endlessly for the given time duration and it is not relevant, the content is not relevant to the given topic. So one has to be mindful. Fluency, that is cohesion, coherence and speed of delivery. Over here your transitional and sequence markers, those words and vocabulary should be applied over here. Pronunciation, language accuracy and vocabulary. Proceeding further, it is required to be continued right through, and record keeping is also essential. Audio recording can also be collected and kept by the teacher. Coming to the blueprint of the question paper of grade 9. For reading, it is 20 marks. Writing and grammar, it is 20 marks. Literature, it is now 40 marks. This has gone up and total it is 80 marks. Thank you very much.